Here's the updated timeline with the Kintendo Switch 3 name remaining until 2035 before transitioning to Nintendo Fusion, 2030-2035, Kintendo Switch 3 development phase, North Korea. 2030, Kintendo, a government-controlled company in North Korea, begins development of the Kintendo Switch 3. The console is designed to compete with the best global gaming systems, focusing on VR integration, AI capabilities, and seamless hybrid gameplay. Development team: North Korea's government recruits engineers and designers for a top-secret project. The Kintendo Switch 3 is expected to feature cutting-edge technologies aimed at reshaping the gaming experience. 2033, the Kintendo Switch 3 enters advanced prototype testing. Leaks suggest that the console will feature a powerful hybrid design with state-of-the-art AI technology, VR options, and new multiplayer experiences. 2034, Kintendo tests early versions of the Kintendo Switch 3, refining the hardware and gameplay systems. The console is on track for a 2040 release, with an ambitious vision to bring something entirely new to the gaming market. 2035, mid-2035, a U.S. nuclear strike devastates North Korea, targeting Pyongyang and causing massive destruction. The Kim regime is killed in the attack, and Kintendo's development team is wiped out by nuclear fallout, halting all further development of the Kintendo Switch 3. The project is effectively cancelled in its current form. 2035-2037, South Korea annexes North Korea. Formation of Korean Nintendo. Late 2035, in the wake of the nuclear strike, South Korea moves to annex North Korea, unifying the two nations into a single Korea. Kintendo is dissolved, and all its assets, including the unfinished Kintendo Switch 3, are absorbed by South Korea. 2036, the new entity, Korean Nintendo, is formed as a subsidiary of Nintendo of South Korea. South Korean leadership decides to continue the development of the Kintendo Switch 3, but with significant redesigns and rebranding. The console will now be marketed under a new game, Nintendo Fusion. 2038-2040, release of the Nintendo Fusion Global Impact. 2038, after revising the Kintendo Switch 3 into a new console design, the hybrid console is officially launched as the Nintendo Fusion. The Nintendo Fusion features enhanced AI, VR support, and a refined hybrid design with a stronger focus on global markets. The console becomes a significant success, especially in East Asia and Europe, with Nintendo of Korea leading the charge. 2040, as part of the unification, Nintendo of Korea releases other products under the guidance of Nintendo of Japan, including the Nintendo Switch 4 and other upcoming hardware. The transition to Nintendo of Korea and the Nintendo Fusion console marks a major milestone in the company's global strategy. 2040-2050, consolidation and growth under Nintendo of Korea. 2041-2045, Nintendo of Korea continues to grow as a major subsidiary of Nintendo of Japan, with the Nintendo Fusion becoming a key player in the market. The Nintendo Switch 4 and other hardware releases further solidify their position as leaders in the gaming industry. The company builds strong relationships with global markets, particularly in Asia and Europe, while continuing to innovate with hybrid gaming systems. 2046-2050, by 2050. Nintendo of Korea stands at the forefront of gaming technology, continuing to produce innovative consoles and software under the leadership of Nintendo of Japan. The Nintendo Fusion continues to be a significant part of their product line. This timeline reflects the initial Kintendo Switch 3 branding until 2035, at which point it is rebranded as the Nintendo Fusion after the political shift and the unification of Korea. The transition highlights the growth of Nintendo of Korea and its eventual integration into Nintendo's global operations. For many,